Namaskar and very good morning to one and all. This is Monalisha and today our topic is cleaning of metal surfaces and we will be studying about how to maintain silver surfaces. This particular topic is belong to the course Foundation Course in Housekeeping Operation whose course code is BSCH1009. So before we go into the depth of this particular topic, let's first understand what are all the topic outcomes of it. First, to understand what is silver. Silver means here this is we are talking about the silver metal. Second is interpreting various steps that is involved in cleaning and maintenance of the silver metal. Third would be to understand the use of cleaning agents to clean metal surfaces. And fourth one would be to understand the maintenance of the metal surfaces. So these are all the topic outcomes we will be learning or we will be receiving once we complete this particular topic. So let's see what is next there and under the objective column. So let's see it. Objective. First one is to understand and identify silver metal. As we know that in the earth there are different various kind of metals are available, among that silver is one of them. So we have to understand or here in this topic we will try to find out what are all the various type of silver metals are available on the earth. Second would be to understand care and maintenance of silver surfaces. Third would be to explore methods used for silver metal cleaning. Like here under this third unit, I would like to add in one point that for the cleaning of metal surfaces or the metal, mainly the silver part, like the way we use in the daily regular way we used to use the utensils, those of course are the silver metal. So we will be learning here how to maintain those silver metals by applying simple methodology. So to understand this particular topic, we have a very beautiful video to watch. So first let's watch this video, then we will have a discussion further. So let's watch first. So we were talking about the silver metal. Before we go into the depth about what is actually the silver metal, what are the different type of metals are there, let's first understand what is silver and where it is being found. So the silver, which is very much soft, malleable, ductile metal, has a very much brilliant sheen when it is well polished. And if the small amount of the metal in elemental form occurs naturally in the earth, but most of the silver that is used is extracted from the silver ore. Third, silver is chemically unaffected by pure water, pure air and the majority of foodstuffs but gets scratched easily if that is impure. And silver is used as the plating in electroplated nickel silver for making cutlery, utensils, vases and decorative artifacts. So mostly in hospitality industry, silvers has been used in various forms. One can found in the kitchen, one can found as a decorative piece in the F&B service area or anywhere in the hospitality world. So it is in much more use nowadays in the hospitality wards. So let's see, find out what is next there. Types of silver. So what is that? There are mainly two types of silver. One is your sterling silver and the second one is all about the silver plated, which is in short form is known as EPNS. So what is that sterling silver? Let's first understand. Sterling silver is an alloy containing 92.5% silver and the rest is mainly copper. Sterling silver is more expensive than silver plated alloy and for this reason is seldom used in the hotel. So for this, because of this reason only, this particular silver is very much rarely used in the hospitality world. Now coming to the second point, that is all about your silver plated and in other way it is being known as EPNS. Table silver or silverware is usually made of the silver plated alloy by plating banks of nickel silver alloy. Nickel silver does not contain any silver at all. Nickel silver is a term for alloys that look like silver, being white metal, and made of nickel, copper, and often, but not always at all, brass along with a few more other metals for added strength in the shine. So let's see what is next there with us. Cleaning procedure. So since now we are through with the definition of the silver, we understood well what is silver actually, where it is being found, and the various kind of silver. Now we are here to discuss about the cleaning procedure. Mainly to maintain the silver, we have three different kind of methods. One is a regular cleaning, second one is all about the silver dip method, and third one is all about the brushing machine. So what is that? Silver needs to be cleaned and polished on the regular basis, yes, which is the basic and foremost thing for maintaining the silver. When that is get tarnished, it means when the silver get tarnished, more complex cleaning methods are to be employed. So here now these are all the basic cleaning methods which has to be given to the silver which is being tarnished or torn on a regular basis. That is our regular cleaning, silver dip method and brushing machine. So let's first understand what are all these kind of cleaning methods are. We will first start off with the regular cleaning method and we will complete it till brushing machine. So let's first see what is all there in your regular cleaning method. Under this regular cleaning method, how the silver surface is being cleaned. For the regular cleaning, we need to wash the article in hot solution of synthetic detergent, scrubbing with a piece of cotton cloth. Then rinse in the clean boiling water in an enamel tray. A sheet of aluminium and some soda can be replaced in the tray. As I just shown you in that video wherein a baking soda hot water was being applied or was acted as the cleaning agents for cleaning of that particular silver coin which was got tarnished. So here also same methodology can be applied in order to complete this regular cleaning method. So once the articles are clean, drain the water away and wipe dry while it is still warm, rubbing hard with a lint-free linen cloth or Sherman's leather. So this is the regular cleaning in which all the silver metals in the hotel or anywhere if that is required to be cleaned can be maintained in a very religious way. So no any specific efforts is required in the maintenance for the same. So let's see what is next there. Yes, we are here to discuss about the next process that is here, the silver dip method. So let's first understand what is silver dip method. So silver dip method as the name is justified here, this is a solution actually, silver dip solution which is used when tarnished silver is to be cleaned. It is usually a very pink colored liquid based on an acid solution of a compound into which the articles are immersed completely for removal of tarnish. The silver should remain in the liquid for a very short time. The articles should be lifted out, washed with the warm water and dried. While working with the silver dip, stainless steel containers should not be used since the dip attacks steel. So here this is the one thing need to be keep in mind that while working under this silver dip method, stainless steel should always be avoided, otherwise it will be attacked. That the particular solution may kill the steel. Next, enamel or plastic containers must be used instead. Silver dip should not be used too frequently on the silver either, since it is very much harder on the silver because of the chemical reaction between the silver and the liquid that can corrode the metal. However, many establishments use silver dip frequently since it is faster than other method. So this is also one method has to be always applied, that is a silver dip method. But what is the advice is being given under it? That while using the container, one has to choose the plastic container instead of the stainless steel. So we have another method also with us, that is your burnishing method. So let's see what is there, how does the burnishing method really works for the cleaning of silver surface. Let's see it. So here we have the vanishing machine. This is a revolving drum with a safety shield. In this revolving drum, Highly polished steel balls are immersed in a detergent solution with a silver articles. The machine rotates and the frictions from the steel balls polishes the silver. These articles are then rinsed into the hot water and dried. The burnishing machine is used for polishing large quantities of silver articles. Always care should be taken to keep the ball bearing covered with the water when not in use, since they rust rapidly otherwise. So here we have a very good opportunity to explore with this burnishing machine in hospitality industry, mainly in the kitchen. If there are silver utensils are there, they then can be cleaned through or they can be maintained through this burnishing machine. So we are now through with these three kind of methods. So let's see what is next there under this topic, cleaning of silver method. We have few practices questions are here. These are all possible questions. So these questions can be come once you complete this particular topic, like what is silver and what are all the various silver cleaning methods are there. Like you may please answer, there are three different kind of silver cleaning method. One is your regular method, second one is your silver dip method, and the third one is your burnishing method. What is regular cleaning, right? Under this, you may reply that okay, on the regular cleaning which are really applicable to clean those items which are can be maintained on a regular basis, and in a very simple solution can be used like your baking soda, hot water, and or aluminum foil is are much more sufficient to maintain the regular cleaning procedure. Next, what is burnishing machine? Under this burnishing machine also you may please reply. This is a particular machine can be used for cleaning of huge amount of utensils and crockeries as well, which are made out of the silver. What is silver dip method? This is also one of the very good question. What is silver dip method? Right? So these are all the possible questions you may please come up with, and I think you have got understanding now what is actually silver and what are all the various cleaning methodology are being applied. So here now we would like to close this chapter, and if people have any doubt, any query regards to your silver metal cleaning, you may please come up with a question and we will have a discussion. So thank you so much and have a nice day. Thank you. Namaskar.